Howdy do, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on the Neal Trail. We're gonna see how many miles we can do. I'm thinking 15, so we're gonna do a bit of an endurance hike here. To start, I got 3 liters of water, half a pound of bacon, some mac and cheese, burning stove, and camping chair, and some other nicks and knacks. And I think I got another 1.5 liters of water and a water bottle, and a personal sized water bottle like that. So got some electrolytes as well, and I think we're already on about mile 1. Conditions are cool today, feeling pretty good, so let's see what we can do. Alright guys, we're well into mile 4, and the goal is to make it about 15 miles. So far I'm on about a pace of 3.25 miles an hour, which is pretty decent considering I'm recording some videos. We're gonna have a break about the halfway mark and whip up some lunch, so should be fun. Gonna have bacon, mac and cheese, and I think I brought some pineapple bits as well, so should be delicious. And by the way, in front of us, Sailorville Lake. Beautiful lake. It's popping on that lake. You guys hear that music? Not sure exactly why, but this campground is practically abandoned. There's nobody camping out here. All this nice area out here. Beautiful shelters with grass fields. Okay, so we're gonna use one of these abandoned campsites here. To cook some food up. It doesn't look like anybody's been here for a long time, so let's get started. Okay folks, so we're officially taking a break. We're on mile 7 of mile 15. We still got a long ways to go, so for that reason we are gonna take a 30. We're gonna boil some water, make some mac and cheese, and throw a little bit of bacon in, and have ourselves a little bit of lunch, and then we're gonna head back. So currently we're just waiting on our coffee to boil, and we're gonna be tending to this fire for a little bit, wait for a good bed of coals to develop so we don't burn our stuff. But overall this should be pretty easy to make. Cheers, folks. That's good. Very good, very good. We're just gonna be tending to this bacon, get our food cooked up, and we'll start our hike out of here. So the bacon's cooking fairly well. We're gonna wanna keep this fire low. If we keep it high, it's gonna burn our bacon like always. Also a good idea not to cook the bacon directly over the fire because the bacon grease falls into the coals and it really brings the heat up, burns everything. So, quick little bacon cooking tip for y'all. Catch you in a bit. I don't know about you guys, but I'm thinking this is looking pretty good. So I'm gonna dig in, enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in a bit. I just checked the time and actually big yikes, I gotta start getting back or I'm gonna be walking in the dark. So I'm gonna be eating this on the trail. So we're gonna head out and get to walking. Hey, just checking in y'all for a status update. We're on mile 9. We're still trying to get it to 15. So we're gonna see if we can get to mile 15. My feet are starting to hurt, kind of the same way as if you're standing at a concert or in line for the amusement park and your feet just kind of start to hurt from standing for so long. That's how my feet are starting to feel. My back, the straps are starting to dig in a bit at times, but with a simple readjustment, they feel just fine. So no big deal there. My back still feels pretty good. The pack's lighter now. I have way less water than I used to, so the weight virtually feels non-existent, so it's not a big deal. We are 12 miles into this hike, and I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm starting to feel it a little bit. Feet are really picking up the pain. I'm not sure where from, but there's some obnoxious music playing out in these woods. It's like thump, 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 thump. Ha 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 ha. We're getting to the end of this 15-mile endurance hike, and I'm gonna say it's a success. It only took about, I don't know, 5 hours or so, so my legs are starting to feel like stumps by this point. Officially made it 15 miles, and I would say that was a pretty good hike. It took about 5 hours of pure walking time, so that's a pretty good amount of time, pretty good pace. I think that means we're ready for some bigger ones. Hopefully, maybe a 20-miler coming up here. We'll see. We'll see.